you've been in business for a while or you're thinking about starting a business and you really don't want to take governmental payers, Medicare, Medicaid, or VA benefits. Perfectly acceptable. A lot of providers are seriously considering not taking governmental payers or any payers at all because they want to have a cash based business. Now, if you are already in business and you already have payer agreements, it's super important that you are abiding by your contractual obligations under the contract. So that's going to take you some time to review your contract and making sure that you're abiding by the provision to opt out of Medicare. Look, once you sign a contract with the government, even the government or any other payer, you have some obligations and you want to follow what the payers are saying to the letter of the law, even to opt out. And the reason why I stress very, firmly to make sure that we're abiding by what the payer says is because sometimes in a business, you might decide today that you're only going to take cash, and tomorrow you say, hey, I'd like to take those payers again. Hey, I'd like to opt back into Medicare. Well, if we're not abiding by the contractual agreements that you had previously, it might be very difficult to do so. So it's really important that you are paying attention to the rules and regulations and making sure that you're abiding by the contracts that you signed up for. Before I forget, if you're struggling in your healthcare business, the compliance is overwhelming, you don't know how to do something that's legal, or you're needing help with trademarking your healthcare business, reach out to us at dorismeet.com and we'd be excited to help you. For those of you who have never had an agreement with a payer, you've never had an agreement with Medicare, it's very simple. You're just telling your patients that you're not taking Medicare. But that also means that you don't say, I'm billing out a network or something else. No, if you're not taking Medicare, you're not taking it, and you're billing at a cash-based rate that the patient knows ahead of time. Some of the things that I think that are important to tell providers is that if you're opting out of Medicare and payer contracts and you're starting a business, but you still are moonlighting in certain other places, making sure that you are on the same accord with the place you moonlight with or the place that you work versus your new startup venture. Everything kind of all has to make sense, and the payers that you're dealing with all have to understand what you're doing so that they can best make sure that you're not violating any contract or that you don't have any issues that come up later on. If you have any questions about you starting a healthcare business or you're thinking about starting a cash based business and you're not trying to take Medicare, reach out to us at dorismeet.com. We'd love to help you. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.